Okay?
Soho.
Pagsugalan yung natin. Halo. Okay? We have prizes. Magpapahayan showcase. Ready na ba lahat? Did you explain, no? Did you explain down here? How about kami? You know? Understand? Yeah? Halo? Halo. Okay. Okay. So, sabihin nyo, sino mas malakas? The girl team or the boy team? Mga energy! Energy! Okay. The first word is Erwin Ereno. Okay? So, sino yung representative ni Juan? Representative of the Jokin ko yung sino mauna. Okay? Representative. Pick one. Representative. Jokin ko. One ka lang ha. Bato. Okay? Point only. Okay? Rock, paper, scissors. Okay? Who? Okay? 1 point lang pa ha. Okay? 1, 2, 3. Ah! 18. Okay. Pre-practice nyo na ba? Ereno. Okay, boys team again. Mabilis ka. Ereno.